What's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my VidPresent review. We're going to be taking a look at VidPresent, and also most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with VidPresent. VidPresent goes live on the 28th of January by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So VidPresent is a cloud-based software, and it allows you to create any form of video presentation that exists right now. So there are different types of videos you can actually create with VidPresent. You are going to be able to create a type of presentation video that allows you to basically record yourself from your webcam, but not only that, it allows you to present whatever it is that you're actually talking about in ways that are, very easy for anybody to use. So even if you are a complete newbie and you're actually doing a presentation, you can easily, how you have these slides that you can actually put up, and then you can actually slide between these slides. You don't have to, put down a script which you have to read or memorize if you are creating this type of presentation videos. Now, even if you do not want to show your face in presentation videos, you are also going to be able to create videos that does not require you to show your face at all. You can zoom in to make your videos stand out. You can actually show probably just your camera, which is your webcam only, or you can switch to other screens. Like, let's say you are recording your screen, you can actually switch in between your screen to your camera, to images, and you can do all this amazing stuff with VidPresent. You also get access to templates. Now, different types of templates you can choose from for your presentations. So this actually makes a lot of sense. If you're going to do videos that get people's attention, then I actually recommend this. And of course, you get access to commercial rights also, that allows you, to record these videos for any purpose at all. To sell these presentation videos, you are going to be able to make and to do different things with your presentation videos. You have templates for local niches, you have for online niches, and then you can actually select from whichever template you want to use and create some attention grabbing videos. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, I want you to stick with me in this review. Right now, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I am giving you to get you the best results with VidPresent. And also, you're going to find a full demo of VidPresent right here on this bonus page. Actually, at the end of this video, I'm going to let you see the demo of VidPresent also. So my first bonus, you're going to be getting access to a software that allows you to create doodle videos. You've probably seen these videos on YouTube, and these videos you are going to be able to create them. This doesn't require any experience to use the software. Either you are using a Windows or you are using Mac, you are going to be able to use this software to create attention grabbing doodle videos from images, even from videos. And then you can actually create these videos, some high quality videos to drive attention, and most importantly, to drive some traffic to your affiliate links. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based software. Now, this software allows you to drive a ton of traffic from other people's video. Now, this does not require you to create videos at all, but it allows you to search through videos in any niche through YouTube videos, and then you can pick whichever viral video you want to use and place your own link on top of these videos. Now, you can upload images which are going to show up on these videos, and then when people actually play these videos, your images show up when they watch your campaigns, and then they can actually click on these images, which is going to take them to your affiliate link. Also, you can add clickable call to actions and even add opt-in forms on top of these videos, to build your list while driving traffic to your affiliate offers or to any link you actually set up in your campaigns. You are going to be getting access to the version that allows you to create unlimited campaigns. Also, bonus number 3, I am going to be showing you a number of ways to get paid with videos, especially on YouTube, without you having to show your face on camera. I know so many people want to make money with videos, but they are not so comfortable showing their face on camera. Now, that shouldn't be, that shouldn't stop you from making money, because I'm going to be showing you free software you can use to create this type of videos that I'm talking about. But not only that, I'm going to be showing you a number of ways to get paid with these videos. Also, bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to custom HD intro videos, especially for YouTube, that you can actually use for your VidPresent videos, especially if you're going to edit them and make your videos pop up, drive a ton of drive attention and also help your retention with your videos. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that comes with done-for-you, high-converting ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. Now, these product reviews, you wouldn't need to do product reviews. These are done-for-you product reviews. Now, all you need to do is slap in your affiliate links in the cloud-based software. Like in the case of ClickBank, all you need is just your ClickBank affiliate ID. Add it to the profile, add it to your profile on the software. Now, all the done-for-you product reviews become active with your affiliate links. All the buttons on these reviews become your own links. Also, bonus number 6, I'm going to be giving you access to a Facebook traffic software that allows you to automate traffic. You probably want to get views. You are probably, selling a digital or even a physical product with your videos or with your presentation. You want to drive a ton of traffic to your videos. Now, I'm going to be giving you access to a software that allows you to automate the whole process, drive a ton of traffic in any niche, to any link or to any video. This comes with Page Builder, and this allows you to drive traffic on complete automation. Also, number 7, you are going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and codes you can actually use either in videos or on your website for any project to drive attention and ultimately drive a ton of traffic also. And bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you. And just to let you know, there is a ton of them. You are going to be getting them in addition to my own bonuses also. So to lock in these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of VidPresent, where you're going to be able to pick up VidPresent and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based video presentation software. So it says create eye-catching video presentations that attract, educate, and persuade audiences to sell your product and services online. So feel free to come check out the sales page in your own time once this goes live, 28th of January, to get full information about the VidPresent software. There's a ton of information on this sales page. So this allows you to create some amazing presentation videos. Now let's talk about the pricing. The front end pricing goes for $37, that's for the commercial, or $27 for the basic version. So this gives you access to PowerPoint presentations, presentation templates, slides, millions of assets available. Now, especially if you are creating videos where you're not going to be showing your face on camera, all these assets, because some stock image platforms are actually integrated, like Pixels, like Pixabay, where you can actually find images, Pixels, where you can actually find images and videos, which are basically unlimited, which you can search with keyword and create some awesome presentation. So this gives you access to commercial rights also, even in the front end. So that's the front end. Now there are some optional updates like the VidPresent Pro that allows you to create unlimited video presentations, unlimited PowerPoint presentations, unlimited presentation slides, and unlimited sales. So This goes for 67. There's a downsell for that allows you to pick it up for 47. OTO2 is the VidPresent agency that goes for 97. There's a downsell that allows you to pick it up for 47. OTO3 is the white label. The 200 licenses goes for 147. 500 licenses goes for 197. And there's the VidPresent Video Game Suite Pro that goes for 67. So that's going to be my review of VidPresent right now. Stay tuned for the full demo of VidPresent.
Create videos in any format such as landscape, square view or portrait view. Plus we have a fourth option to auto create videos if you don't want to show your face. Now let's start with landscape and check all the amazing features to create a video presentation. Now once you are on the screen, you can start creating your video presentation within 3 simple steps. The first one is to choose template. Now we have tons of templates available over here, just like these. Right, so we have a lot of local niche templates available over here as well, such as attorney, dog care, bakery, and all the local niche possible. We have covered most of them. If you have any requirement of a new template, then we'll be happy to add it into the application just for you, definitely. So the first thing is choosing a template. Then we'll go ahead and add the content from over here. Now as you can see, there you can add multiple slides from over here, just like that. Now we'll go ahead and quickly add 5 slides and we'll start editing each slide one by one. So I'll quickly add some text over here. Then you can add images from Unsplash, Pixel, Pixabay, as well as if you have used an account, you can definitely go ahead and connect that over here. Okay, let's go ahead and put up an image over here. Or you can add emojis, GIFs, and you can also upload your own images from here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and quickly add images for the demo purpose. Now slide number 2. We'll also select images from different sources over here. So as you can see, it's very easy to create these slides. You can add images, you can add emojis as well. Go to slide number 5 now. Slide 5, or any text you want to add. Right, once you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and click on the next button, and you will be taken to a practice and record section where you will actually practice and record your video. Alright, so first of all, so there are a couple of things that you need to know over here, such as we have 3 types of modes to create a presentation. The first one is only the face mode. If you want to start your video, you can start with this one. Then if you want to show slide material on the right hand side or on the left hand side, depending on the template, you can start with that too. Then you can zoom in the specific images on a particular slide so that you can explain important points in more detail. You can zoom out and show them both as well. Now if you have multiple cameras, then they will be shown over here. Just select the appropriate one, and then there is a mirror mode available as well. So for the templates with right hand side visual cues, you can use this, or for the left hand side you can use this one as well. Okay, then you just need to start recording from over here. Before that, we have a slider that works with the arrows, so you can easily toggle between the slides. Okay, so let's go ahead and start slide number 1. Now as you can see, the recording has started already. Now you need to explain about the slide number 1. Hey, hi, this is slide number 1. Then this slide number 2, explain about the slide number 2 points. You can zoom in if you like. You can explain about more important details, then zoom out, then go to next slide again, and like that you can go ahead and complete the whole presentations. Okay, once you are done, you just need to click on done recording button. Now you get two options. First one is record again. Then you can also select to trim the video. So no one is perfect, right? So whenever you are recording a video, you always get and all those things, all those stops. You can just remove the stops from over here. Okay, once you are satisfied, you can just go ahead and save this video, and you will be done. Once your video is ready, you will get a option to download, or you will get a direct copy link, or you can also embed this video directly. The video will load from our server. Okay, and you also get an option to record the video again if you're not satisfied at all, or you can directly share on social media from over here. So just in 3 steps. The first one is choose a template, then you can add content, then you can practice and record to create your awesome video presentations. Similarly, we have tons of done for you campaigns for local niche, like over here. As you can see, we have like childcare, dog training, locksmith, ice cream, gym, dance school, event management. We have already created all the slides material in here. So you just need to select your done for you campaign. You just need to preview that, and or directly you can use it and create your video presentation, saving you tons of time. As you can see, we have tons of done for you material over here. So you don't need to create your campaign from scratch. You just go ahead and select appropriate one and get started.